Hello and welcome to Maths with Jacob. This rap song is about the parabola. So here is the simplest parabola, and the equation is y equals x squared. So that you can see there, y equals x squared. Basically, the vertex is 0, 0, so it goes through the origin. And you can plot these points here by using that equation. So here are some points, all those points there that you see, and they've been plotted using this equation. This is just one example of a very simple parabola that you can draw, but the parabola can be drawn basically anywhere on the number plane depending on the equation and also the orientation. So it can have many different orientations, and it's a symmetrical curve. This one in particular is symmetrical about the y-axis. On the next two slides, I provide the lyrics of a rap song about the parabola. The aim of this video is to integrate mathematics, English and music. Enjoy. And here are the next three verses. Let's move on to the next slide. And the next one. Maths with Jacob has attempted to integrate mathematics, English and music by creating a rap song about the parabola. This video gives people the opportunity to create music to the given rap song. After that, the song can be presented at a school assembly or any school performance.